Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you some stuff that is coming to Prodigy. This isn't really leaked because it is from one of Prodigy's videos, but no one has seemed to see it at all, so I'm going to show you the stuff. Alright, so right here you can see that we have some stuff. There's nothing new here, there's nothing new here, but there is something here. As you can see, there is a flower hat on this girl, and we are also going to be able to get freckles. We can see some of the eye colors we are going to get, or might already have in the game, I'm not sure. There's green, this is like light brown, and then we have dark brown, and then we have this like gardening outfit with a green cape. And then the next one, this has nothing new, but this does. As you can see up here, there is a Snup hat, which looks very cool. And then we have this robe, which has wings on it, and it has some like animal skulls on its shoulders. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.